Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. Today, a vendor has sent me a free product. This is a paid shoppable video. And today's product, Dehumidifier. Now, I don't know, I'm an RVer, so I RV in all different climates of the country. We're all over the country all the time. And sometimes it can get really humid, you know, say if we're in Florida and South Texas, and it can be hot and humid, and humidity is not a friend to RVs. It's also not a friend to any house either. So, I mean, a dehumidifier can make it feel cooler. It can clean the air. This one can clean the air, filter the air a little bit. This one actually has a place where you can put aromatherapy in it. So it'll put out whatever scent you would like. Say you want to, you know, put it in the bedroom and you want a nice, peaceful smell in there to go to bed. This can do that also. Well, let's open this up. Check it out. That's the purpose of a shoppable video, by the way. I always like to try to say that occasionally when we're making shoppable videos. It's not a sales video. This is a video to show you what you will get if you order this product. Maybe this product isn't the right one for you, but maybe it is. That's what a shoppable video is. Just to make sure that you see what's really inside this box. And it's not. Yeah? All right, so let's open that up. The tank capacity is 2.5 liters. And it automatically has a red glowing light when it fills up. Also, if you want to, it has the ability to put a hose on it and just let it drain to the sink or to a pipe. All right. First thing I noticed about this unit is it's a nice looking unit. You know, it's not huge. You know, so I mean, if you have a huge home, this would be more of a one-room dehumidifier. But it's nice. I mean, it looks nice. It looks professional. It's sleek in design. I like that. And so on the front here, we have an on-off switch. We have a light, which it comes in different lights. You can make it light up, glow in different lights. We'll try that one. It has a sleep mode that makes it go silent when you're sleeping. And it also has a timer. You can turn it on for 8 hours, 16 hours, or 24 hours. All right. So, backside has this was in the box, has a filter that you obviously can take out and clean. Very easy to take out and clean. Soap and water. Usually soap and water is all you ever want to do with those. You don't want to put it in a dishwasher or something like that. That'll melt it. So then you just pop that in like that. And look at that. And then here's your where it collects the humidity. And there, it even comes with the hose if you want to plumb this, or have the hose go out a window, or out the bottom of your RV, if you're an RVer like me, or if you want to plumb it up to maybe a trap, a drain trap in a bathroom or a master bedroom. So it has that, which is, I think that's pretty slick. All right. So you just slide that in there. Pretty easy so far from what I'm seeing. Okay. What I was looking for was this right here. This is the little area that you can put a few drops of your essential oils in there or something like that, some sort of scent that you would like to put in there, and that will proliferate through your home. How nice is that? That's pretty slick there. I would like the scent thing. Well, I will like the scent thing. It's mine. So, all right. So I have plugged in the unit. All we got to do is turn it on. Can you hear that? It's not very loud. And so I did read up while I was away for a minute. And when you put it in sleep mode, it doesn't turn off the humidifier. It actually makes it softer. Now the dehumidification is weaker, but if you'd like it a little softer at night, which this is really soft, I'm just telling you right now. If you'd like it a little softer at night, you can press the night button. Let's do that. And I don't know if you detected the lowering in volume there, but it cut the volume in half probably. But even with it not a night switch, it's not loud. Very quiet whisper area. And so you can actually have it on different lights. If you're noticing, the lights change down here below. So they're nice, cool little glowing lights. And then you can wait for it to change to whatever color you like, and then just push the light, and it will stay on that light. Stay on that color. Or you can have it off, or you can have it on there and it will slowly change colors. It's kind of a cool little peaceful, tranquil effect, especially if like in a bedroom. You'd have just a little bit of light, you know, and you could have it whatever color you want. There's orange, turn into yellow it looks like. But this is a really quiet, I mean, I'm not certain that my phone's going to pick up, which tells you a lot right there. My phone's, if it's picking it up, I bet it's not really loud. But it's really quiet. And then when you put it, I'll do it one more time, when you put it in sleep mode, it'll be quiet. Now you can hear the fan slow down too, so it's softer. But, and then this light, when the container in the back here is full, this light will turn red, telling you to empty the container. If you're in the market for a dehumidifier, this is nice.